Hello friends, today we are going to learn word families. Welcome to my channel, Manisha's Education. Now we will learn word family oat. Oat, oat.
Oat, oat.
Oat, coat.
Oat, coat.
Oat, goat.
Oat, goat.
Oat, moat.
Oat, moat.
Oat, boat.
Oat, boat.
Oat, short.
Oat, short.
Oat, float.
Oat, float.
Oat, gloat.
Oat, gloat.
Oat, stoat.
Oat, stoat.
Oat, bloat.
Oat, bloat.
Oat, throat.
Oat, throat.
Let's revise. Oat,
Oat,
coat,
coat.
goat,
Goat,
boat,
boat.
moat,
Moat,
short.
short.
Float,
Float,
bloat,
bloat.
gloat,
Gloat,
stoat,
stoat.
throat.
Throat.
Now we will learn word family ock. Ock, rock.
Ock, rock.
Ock, lock.
Ock, lock.
Ock, mock.
Ock, mock.
Ock, dock.
Ock, dock.
Ock, sock.
Ock, sock.
Ock, cock.
Ock, cock.
H, ock, hawk.
H, ock, hawk.
Bl, ock, block.
Bl, ock, block.
St, ock, stock.
St, ock, stock.
Cl, ock, clock.
Cl, ock, clock.
Cr, ock, crock.
Cr, ock, crock.
Fl, ock, flock.
Fl, ock, flock.
Sh, ock, shock.
Sh, ock, shock.
Fr, ock, frock.
Fr, ock, frock.
Sm, ock, smock.
Sm, ock, smock.
St, ock, stock.
St, ock, stock.
Let's revise. Rock,
Rock,
lock,
lock,
mock,
mock,
dock,
dog,
sock,
sock,
cock,
cock,
hawk,
hawk,
block,
block,
stock,
stock,
clock,
clock,
crock,
crock,
clock,
flock,
shock,
shock,
frock,
frock,
smock,
smock,
stock.
stock.
Now we will learn word family oil. Oil, oil.
Oil, oil,
Oil, boil.
oil, boil,
Oil, coil.
oil, coil,
Oil, soil.
oil, soil,
Oil, foil.
oil, foil,
Oil, toil.
oil, toil,
Oil, broil.
oil, broil.
Oil, spoil.
Oil, spoil.
Let's revise. Oil.
Let's revise.
Boil.
Oil,
Coil.
boil,
Foil.
coil,
Soil.
foil,
Toil.
toil,
Broil.
broil,
Spoil.
spoil.
Now we will learn word family oak. Oak. Joke.
Oak, joke.
Oak. Oak.
Oak, oak.
Oak. Oak.
Oak, oak.
Oak. Yoke.
Oak, yoke.
Oak. Poke.
Oak, poke.
Oak. Smoke.
Oak, smoke.
Oak. Joke.
Oak, joke.
Oak. Spoke.
Oak, spoke.
Oak. Stroke.
Oak, stroke.
Oak. Oak.
Oak, oak.
Oak. Broke.
Oak, broke.
Oak. Stroke.
Oak, stroke.
Let's revise. Joke.
Joke.
Oak.
Oak,
Oak.
oak.
Yoke.
Yoke.
Poke.
Poke.
Smoke.
Smoke.
Choke.
Choke.
Spoke.
Spoke.
Stoke.
Stoke.
Oak.
Oak.
Broke.
Broke.
Stroke.
Stroke.
Now we will learn word family hold. Hold. old,
old, old,
old, old,
old, old,
old, bold,
old, bold,
old, gold,
old, gold,
old, gold,
old, gold,
old, hold,
old, hold,
old, mold,
old, mold,
old, sold,
old, sold,
old, told,
old, told,
old, fold,
old, fold,
old, scold,
old, scold,
let's revise. Old,
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 bold,
bold,
cold,
cold,
gold,
gold,
hold,
hold,
mold,
mold,
sold,
sold,
told,
told,
fold,
fold,
scold.
scold.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more educational videos and updates.